Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create an event for your members on your Discord server really quickly. So let us get started. Now, if you'd like to launch an event in your Discord server and invite your community members to it, simply follow my instructions, guys. So what you want to do is launch Discord, of course, log into your account and select the server you would like to create the event for here on the left-hand side. So let me go with that server for demonstration purposes. And here at the top, you will see a feature called Events here on the left-hand side or panel. So click on it. After that, that window here will pop up for you. So what you want to do is click on that Create Event button at the top. And after that, go through a short setup. For instance, answer to the question, where is your event? For instance, in a voice channel or in a text channel. So let me go with a voice channel for the sake of this tutorial. So select it. After that, select the channel you would like to use for that from that list below. And continue by clicking on next here. In the next step, provide information about the upcoming event, like the event topic or a title, the start date below, the start time, then the event frequency, for instance, if it is a one-time event or a recurring event, just like that, for instance, every Wednesday or any other day of the week. You may also upload a cover image below and describe the event here with just a few words. Bear in mind though that you will have up to 1000 characters for that. And once that's done, continue by clicking on next here. And in the last step, let Discord review the given event so that Discord may assess if it doesn't violate any policies or guidelines. And after that, the given event will go through the review, and if accepted by Discord, it will be available here in your Discord server to the left so that you may click on it and invite your community members to join the event. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel.